Okay, so this computer store profit goal, I need to enable editing, and I'm actually going to do this incorrectly first so that you can see what happens if you do it wrong. All this is a simple if, so if logical dust, if the profit they got is less than or equal to the goal for profit, if it's less than, okay, so let's just do, if it's less than that, then they fail. And otherwise, they meet the goal. So met goal, or met, or whatever it says there. Okay. Hit OK, and we bring that down, and you see everybody met the goal. That can't be right. We want only the people that made more than 5,000. This one is 3458. That's not more than 5,000. And if you double click here, you can see that would be why, because it's going where it shouldn't. So we want it to stay absolutely there. So you can go in here and change the G2 to an absolute value. That will fix it. See, now we have some of each, everybody less than a certain amount. And the other way you could do it, and the way that I highly recommend, is go formulas, create from selection, left column, OK, and then do your formula instead of that. Then you have the name in there, and you bring it down. Okay, and let's put some conditional formatting on here. Oops, that's the wrong one. Next one. There we go. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. So if it's equal to, or let's do text that contains, so if met, let's do fail. If they failed, it's red, and otherwise it's all good. You might also want to make it look a little nicer, especially if there happens to be marks for just overall formatting and making sure things are pretty. Although it's not actually pretty that matters, it's professional. But there we go. I'll make this one a little wider. Actually, this one, I would probably, instead of doing that, I would just put achieved. Okay, looks much better. So there, and maybe a little bit of border for that. Lovely. I actually usually do this, and then this. Okay, all done.